Do you often get stuck with colds, flu, cough, and constant tiredness? This could be because your lymphatic system is working slowly. When that happens, your body's power to fight illness decreases. If left untreated, your immunity can weaken day by day. But at Chennai Foot Haven, our reflexology experts gently stimulate the lymphatic pressure points on your feet to activate lymph circulation. This helps restore your body's natural defense power to fight infections. With Chennai Foot Haven's experienced therapists, you can reduce colds and flu, and keep both your body and mind healthy and active.
Foot Haven. Relax with reflexology from soul to soul.